Hello, my fellow kitchen technicians. Welcome back to my channel. Remember I said we refer to ourselves as kitchen technicians? Yes, we are back here and kitchen technicians it is. We are here to make that Spanish omelette I promised. But before we proceed, please do take time to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification in order to receive subsequent videos. Thank you very much. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get cooking. So the main ingredients needed for this recipe are potatoes, eggs, onions, spring onions for extra taste and flavor. And we also need oil. Now we will proceed to chop the vegetables. I'll start by chopping the spring onion. Feel free to chop it into your desired sizes. You can fine dice it or you can choose to chop into bigger dices with your call. Now you can chop your onions and follow up with chopping your potatoes, both in smaller dices. Please keep in mind that you'll need a quarter cup of the spring onions, half cup onion, 1 full cup potatoes or a little bit more will work just fine. We begin by setting a clean skillet on the cooker. So let's begin by heating our skillet for a minute or two. You can now put in 3 tablespoonfuls of oil and wait a few minutes for it to heat. It will be great to hear that frying sound when we put in our potatoes. Okay, let's move on by pouring in our diced potatoes. We need to continuously turn the potatoes around so it doesn't burn. You need to do this for about 2 minutes or so. The chopped onions goes in at this point. Continue to stir it up for another 2 minutes or when you notice your veggies turning light brown. Throw in a pinch of salt. Now our potato mix is ready, so we'll take it off the fire and get it into a bowl and set it aside. The next step is very simple. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, break your eggs and take a few seconds to whisk it. Proceed to mix in all your ingredients. Now, because I love my Spanish omelette a little savory, I added a little powdered red chili pepper, seasoning to taste, parsley, and black pepper. So If you love savory like me, go ahead and add all that to your mixture. Otherwise, the potatoes, eggs, onions, spring onions, oil and salt are enough to give you a tasty omelette, trust me. Now, stir up your mixture in order to mix very well. Next is to heat up your skillet again and put in 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. You can use any oil of your choice, that's fine. Allow it to stay for a few seconds. Now pour in your mixture and smooth the top to even it out. Let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Turn your half-cooked omelette over and let the other side also cook for 5 minutes. You may notice a dark brown color. That's okay because Spanish omelette needs to stay on heat for a bit longer than regular omelette for the inside of it to cook well. So don't worry if you see dark brown, it's normal. Transfer your omelette into a plate. Okay, our Spanish omelette is ready and it looks so good. Smells so nice too. It will go well with many dishes, or you can just have a chill drink by it and you are done. I love to have it with lettuce. It's very tasty with it. You can have it with any vegetable of your choice. You can have it with salad. Anything you want to have it with, it does well. You can share it with a family. You can have it alone. That is what I love to do. So guys, this is it. Try it and you will love it. Thank you very much. But please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification in order to receive our subsequent videos. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. See you soon in my next video where we'll be making something very interesting. Bye bye.